Olivia. I'm a second-year student in the BA of Psychology.
Hi, I'm Raina Barara. I'm a third-year student in the Bachelor of Science Psychology program.
So the BA in Psychology deals with the fundamentals of psychology with more of a particular focus on how we learn, communicate, and interact with one another.
That naturally in the B.Sc program you're going to have more science courses. So you have to do stuff like chemistry, biochemistry, biology, and calculus. It's just one course though, don't worry.
The things I love about this program is that I love learning about how people behave, interact, and communicate with other people. And I love being able to conduct my own research and experiments within my upper years in my program.
I love my program because it gives me kind of the best of both worlds. So because I'm in Bachelor of Science, it means that I get to sort of explore my interests in neuroscience and in statistics and math.
So in my first year, I took an introductory psychology course in both semesters. Then you would take an English class and then a philosophy class, and then you get a chance to take a few elective courses as well.
So in my first year, most of the courses were just general science courses. So I had to take some cell biology and evolution courses, and then also chemistry and organic chemistry courses. And I also had to take Introduction to Psychology. There's 2 courses for that.
So there's so many opportunities that you can get when you get your degree. You can be a psychotherapist, a social worker, a teacher. For example, for me, I'm interested in being a clinical psychologist, which is more working with experiments and doing more scientific research and making more hypotheses that you get to make your own, which are really fun opportunities that you can get in psychology.
Okay, so after my degree in particular, I am planning on becoming a clinical psychologist, but in general, after a Bachelor of Science psychology degree, you can go into experimental psychology, you can go into clinical psychology, you can go into neuroscience, you can go to med school, you can go to health sciences. Because it's a Bachelor of Science degree, you can actually go out of the field of psychology, but you can also continue if you want to.
So there's so many ways to incorporate your interests into your studies. One example are electives. So in the BA Psychology, you have a lot of elective programs that you can do. I, for example, did a grammar course in French as an elective. And speaking on that, you also have the option of doing French immersion, which gives you even extra time to do more electives if you are interested in that.
So I'm personally really interested in research, and it's also really important to be interested in research if you want a future in psychology. So what I did was I applied for the UOttawa, so Undergraduate Research Opportunity Program, and so now I'm going to be starting to do some research on a topic of my interest with a professor.
So some things that I would tell a future student before considering to study in this program is that psychology is such a broad program that you can apply for so many other things even after your undergraduate studies. And then because BA Psychology can help you with so many things even afterwards, even if you're interested in that.
So the first thing that I would say is just really try to get out there, try to get involved with stuff on campus. Like there's constantly stuff going on campus, whether it's like school clubs or student associations or just any sort of volunteer work or research. It's so important to get involved. It can really help you make friends, it can really enrich your sort of university experience, and it can teach you about so many different things.